everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to show the unique ID for every employee in the employees table. For example, we have two tables, employees table and employee unique. We display all employees from the employees table together with their unique IDs. If some employees are not found in the employee unique table, we display null instead of unique ID. Let's solve it in SQL. We write the select statement, and we need to join these two tables. Since we want to keep all employees, even those without the unique ID, we use a left join. We join these two tables on their common column ID. If we run this query, we get all employees with their IDs and unique IDs. So in the select statement, we have to write the unique ID and the name. Now let's run it again, and we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we merge these two data frames. Parameter on requires their common column, in our case it's ID, and we want to merge them on left join. We save this into the result dataset. And that's it, we are ready to return the result. For the output, we need only two columns, unique ID and name. Let's run the script, and we successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? The SQL left join or the Pandas left merge? Let me know in the comments.